Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started writing and earning on Medium in 2026. So, head over to medium.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up using your email address, Google account, and Facebook account. Choose the option you prefer and complete the sign up process. After that, you'll be redirected to the Medium homepage, which is this one. Before writing, let's quickly explore Medium. Here we have the search bar to explore topics like productivity, tech, self improvement, and many more. On the left side panel, we have a tab called Library, where saved stories and reading history appear. Lastly, we have your profile icon right here on the upper right corner, where you can access your stories, stats, and settings. This helps you understand how Medium works and what kind of content performs well. To start writing, go back to the upper right corner and click on the button right. The first thing you have to do is add a title. Then you can enter your content below. You'll notice a plus sign on the left side, and if you click it, it lets you add images, videos, code blocks, and section breaks. Keep your writing simple and beginner friendly. Once you're done writing, click on the publish button right here. Add relevant topics so Medium knows who to show your article to. Review your story preview and click publish again. Your article will now be live on Medium. If you want to earn money on Medium, you'll need to join the Medium Partner Program. To qualify, you must be 18 years old and above, have published at least one story, be in an eligible country, and be a Medium member, which is a paid plan. So go to your profile icon right here, click on Settings, then go to Partner Program right here. You'll just have to click Apply. So the Medium membership costs $5 per month, and it allows you to earn based on how much members engage with your stories. So just a few tips. Write consistently at least once a week. Read, clap, and comment on other writers' stories. Submit your articles to publications and focus on clear, valuable, and helpful content. Consistency is the key when growing on Medium. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.